in the world have vaccines that can prevent them before they even start. When it comes to our children, we've been talking about immunization and vaccination. Two of these diseases that are highly contagious and very deadly in our case today are diphtheria and pertussis, also known as whooping cough. Today with me on this episode of Abatanya, I have our favorite midwife here, Madam Mavis, all the way from New Taco Government Hospital, to come and talk to us about these two diseases. As I always keep reminding you, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and follow us on all our social media handles. The name is CITI TV. So we are going to talk diphtheria and pertussis, or what we all know as whooping cough. And so I'll go straight to our beautiful midwife here. Welcome once again. We always appreciate to have you here.
Okay.
So not to same no two ya bad time can trouble say diphtheria I'm not say whooping cough any friend pertussis ya everyone no much than chichomasim kakama me.
Yo, Nana ya medasi. You can diphtheria, a infection of the throat and the nose. And you can say pertussis so a contagious respiratory infection. Nti na yesi ehwe ma ni nyina ye line baako yes nti diphtheria no obohu se no eye asa bibi akata wo throat no a block a block wo throat na se wuntimi enhomi ye na wuntimi you can swallow na diphtheria na
whooping cough
no so ye I know the respiratory way na infected. Enti no na so bacterial infection. And also so no no the ebe mo hu pan ye say obebo wa ye hu enti na e friend whooping cough no e sound this so very good.
Let's all one the best on it to say ya boy and ni akotra say me friend say ow no me who next over what's that
ten na friend no pertussis na afen so no one yes no bo hu say wo a na wo fen so wo fen na na me den eba you throwing out na ye pertussis
they say ya ready I know ya den pa diphtheria no say na one asa dey tan say bi wona say bibi hia o crampo na say wuntimi mmene anase wuntimi nsualo na wuntimi humi ye ya sha muteti a wo fem na dwen sa bo fraba ebi kosa insocial na offer say ahunnya ade mu na aside sa nyeme ya wo de checha say other signs and symptoms bi ho no ma
oh signs and symptoms bebre ho ebi ti say abofa ne ho beye hye obeye ne ho obe feel malaise ne ho beye ne ya ne ho beye ne mremremre ebi nso so bo ha rashes begu omo so wo hu and no difficulty in like swallowing
so abofra ba no hwe na so ma ne bibi
no timi mmene a
ese mo weni nkwa ne ho na bibi sa
to ate nti sai nyema we nyina abofra ne ho ayehye fever so wo hu o feed ne ho ye ne mre like said then ka also nya active no on
also ni mu kra na ma me haye me ya
because of obebo one ade on so obi bo one so a e ma no like as award no ne ho ayehye o feel weak on nya active say and most at time on say akwa bo wakon so hu anwumre sa pertussis whooping cough bo hu say anwumre no aye den bo hu oba nsanya rewa nyina no like aye preventable
prevention dey you say ye dey bia ye catch from say saya we some be sha say me show say wo betimi ai twa no crampo ansa na obo fam afasa oya wo na ye fa ne say ye abatan bi wo hono me ya na ye aso den sister Africa has say any oh me so for so obo mpaya ma na obo mpaya gu so sister me nya vaccine na vaccine crampo no ye de nema hihye ne ye de wo ye ntini ye ya aso den tie fa ne say ye aso den na ekoba ne sana na ya bufra nya sa ya we ya treatment plan ya na ebi ne say
na ne say odi wabofra ba no se waya aso odin na wunya sai oba ne nya sai awewe ya wodi ne beba hospital doctor na betima ayeden a diagnose no nti o diagnose ni se oba no nya diphtheria na se pertussis so na me kan se eye bacterial infection ni ye mo ye do mo to antibiotics Nti asa antibiotics no doctor no na betimi a prescribe plan no nyina yeden e de ama no and ye de mo nso so ai omo hoto mo
na mom no abofra ba ne ho beto na de nso hwe wo bre eni oya wa twem hwe se ye bu a oba ne kwampo ho ye hye na so da ho na ma na duane edi na so ni dia ye na ye abata na ya ho metie ema ye eti doctor ne betimi ama no antibiotics no eya na healing process na to say
oh because antibiotics na na like ano ye den ti itimi tu ase prekope emo though say enye like instant way bet
within a few days
yes ebeko ama na afen so like yamfa we enhim we no diphtheria no omonya lymph nodes na ti
eya na se bibia be hye so omonya se ya ya
say o na block nti no ade ne sha yes affect lymph no ti yes bo hu se hye ha omun chen ha say ni nyina ye omoya so wo hu ti so susu ampa so be ma oba go through sa enema mi wan so no ye wo vaccine wo ho a ebe so anu ntem ama wo ama oba ni go through sa signs and symptoms we nyina nti yesre mo ye very good say oba no ode ne be ko postnatal clinic na yamo mo vaccines we said that be bo mo ban free diphtheria ne sa pertussis because I know say nye yare papa because the stress ni way you go through no is bad. Oh mother no cry you may not be comfortable.
And you say you may not be comfortable. You would not be comfortable. I'm talking as a mother. Say if it's a ubani crampo say malaria keke crampo and I say malaria keke bo. Now ubani pa niti pino and that's a bufabani sukana ni me na ya chamo to see a film. It's something you may not be comfortable. You would not be comfortable. So this is our advice to mothers out there. Our midwife have said a lot, and I'm also adding this. There is vaccine. There's a saying that goes that prevention is better than cure.
Yep.
In these instances, it's 100% right. Prevention is better than cure. And the good news is you can prevent it. There is a vaccine out there at the hospital for diphtheria and whooping cough, which we also call pertussis. You can prevent it. Don't wait for your kid to get this disease. If you know that you haven't vaccinated your child, please go to the hospital and have your child vaccinated. Vaccines are available. Thank you for sticking through with us on this episode. We thank you for always being there and always watching. We thank our beautiful midwife for always making the time to come and join us here at the studios. As I keep reminding you, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our other episodes. If you haven't followed us on all our social media handles, it is Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. The name is CITI Star TV. I'm your host, as always, Namaya. Catch you same time next week.